Hi, my name is Jason DiMaggio. I'm the Louisiana Southwest Territory Sales Manager for SageSure. We're here today doing the Nola Tree Project, giving back to New Orleans. In the last 2 years or so, we've had a bunch of storms that have devastated the trees, and it's an awesome opportunity for SageSure to be able to come back and give back to the community and rebuild it with the trees. We have a lot of neutral grounds here and whatnot, and most of them all have trees on them to give cover, and most homes have them. So the turnout today was amazing to see everybody come out here, grab the trees for their homes to replant the trees that were actually damaged from the hurricane and knocked down and such. Just a pleasure to be here. I wish it wasn't as moist and cold outside today because it would have been a lot better if it wouldn't have been. But overall, it was a good day.
Say what? Who dat?
Who dat? All right, young lady, come on through.
Thank you.
No problem. Have a good day. Enjoy those trees.
Thank you. I will.